Hello to all my friends out there. So, for certain kind of cookies, like these Italian cookies, you need good tea. Why? For dipping your cookies. So in the tea party world, you might be saying, you can't, that's uncouth. Yeah, that's true, but it's good. So I have 4 cups of water and I brought it to almost a boil. See how there's bubbles? And now I have the temperature. Let me see if I can show you. Uh-oh, crumbs. Well, anyway, the heat is very, very low. And so now I want, okay, for each cup tea, this way I do it, 1/2 teaspoon sugar. So tablespoon. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons, and this is gonna make really good black tea. My son's trying to get in the door. Oh, you're in? Okay, and so now this will just be on the stove, ready to go. And then when it's time to dip, I will add a little milk, any kind of milk. I usually use evaporated. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.